This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. So today I am recording a session for Master Oracle 19C database in a minute. So today is the 15th session, and as you know that I have already covered read-only Oracle homes, Oracle base homes, and Oracle base config and Aura base tab file. So that was basically for read write Oracle home. But what will be the value of these Oracle base home, Oracle base config, and what change will happen in Aura base tab file when your home is read only Oracle home. So today I will discuss about how to enable read only Oracle home. So there is a script read only Oracle Home CTL script that is used to enable a read only Oracle Home. Okay, so we have to execute this script, and this script is basically located at Oracle Home and bin directories. Okay, so let me show you cd Oracle Home / bin. So I reach here, and this is my bin location. Okay, and then at CTL. Okay, so this is the script which basically do the things. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the syntax. So this is the usage, and this is the enable command we will use to read only Oracle Home. So the first command we have to execute this script. So I will use this. So when I entered, so it is saying that enabling read only Oracle Home cannot enable read only Oracle Home in a configured Oracle Home, because the Oracle Home is configured with database, these database I have and this list. So but I need to do that. So what I will do, I will use force command to do this. Okay, so when I do that, so see that it done the enable Oracle Home actually. Okay, so read only Oracle Home is configured. Now let me show you the things what Oracle base home will become. So let me clear. So now Oracle base home is this. So see that it configured or U01 app Oracle, and then homes folder created, and then Aura DB19 home is created. Okay, and after that, if we want to we want to see the Oracle base config actually. So when I say Oracle base config, so that will be your Oracle base actually that I have already discussed. Okay, and now if you check the Aura base tab file, so come out from this and go to install folder. Okay, and then cat Aura base tab. So see that if you remember your your first file, first field is Oracle base, then second field is Oracle base config, and then this is the Oracle home, and this value is showing why. It's mean my read only, my home is read only. Okay, so this is the Oracle read only home. Now go to here cd Oracle base home, then ls. So see that this location is created, and here if you see, so all the dbs install network rdbms, all the files will configure here. Okay, and we know that everything will be configured in Oracle home, then dbs location, then Oracle home, then network and admin location. But now because my Oracle is read only home, then this will come under this location. Okay, got it? Clear? So now I want to go back to disable the read only Oracle home. So what I will do, I will go again to Oracle home and cd bin let me clear, and then I will disable with force command. So when I disable, it will disable the read only Oracle Home. Now again check what is my Aura base home. Okay, so when I say Aura base home, so see that it is Oracle Home, and when I say Aura base config, so it will also same as Oracle Home. See that, and when I check Aura base tab file, so I will go here and cat Aura base tab file and see that this value becomes no. So now it is read write Oracle Home. Clear? So this is the features which actually important, and this things started from Oracle 18c. Okay, so that's it for today's session, and I hope this will add some knowledge in your DBA. So that's it from my side, and one request to all of you guys: don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Oracle Ride. If you do this, it will motivate me. And thanks again for being here. Happy learning. Bye.